Brian, thank you. This winter has been a bust for snow so far, but 45 years ago we saw quite a bit, and it shut down the entire state. Today marks 45 years since the blizzard of 1978. The storm brought with it significant impacts to southern New England, including over 2 feet of snow to both Boston and Providence. According to the National Weather Service, nearly 100 people died because of the storm, and more than 4,500 were injured. The technology and disaster plans that were used were not developed enough, and no one had ever seen a storm quite like this one before.
Yeah, that was a worst blizzard I've ever been in. Windrifts were 6-7 feet tall in some places. Yeah. Cars were buried. People couldn't get out of their houses. You know, yeah, it was bad.
Along with the high snowfall, the blizzard brought with it high winds and created storm surge up to 4.5 feet along the coast.